Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you will be fine. Now today I will deliver the lecture number 15 of English for class nursery, and the topic of the lecture is revision A to L. It's mean today we will do the letter A to L with their sounds and their formations as well. So let's take a start for the lecture. In the first part we will do the writing for these letters. So here you can see the line patterns. Okay, now first I will write the first alphabets on this line pattern. Yes, which is the first letter in alphabets? Yes, letter A. Okay, now for letter A, for small a, I am talking about the lower cases. So for small a, I will take start from the middle line. Okay, and now make an anti-clockwise half circle, touch the base line, now go up, make a straight line, now come down and touch the base line again, and here I will make a little loop or a small tail. Okay, this is small a, and the sound of this letter is a. It should be in two lines, middle and base. This is the first letter in alphabets. Okay, now next I will write the next letter. What comes after letter A? Letter B. For letter B, I will take start from the top line. This is top line. Now come down, make a straight line and touch the base line, and now go up, touch the middle line, and here I will make a clockwise half circle like this. Yes, this is small b. This is a lowercase. This is small b, and the sound of this letter is B, B. It should be in upper three lines, top, middle and base. Okay, now next I will write the third letter for alphabets. So what comes after letter B? Yes, letter C. Okay, for letter C, for small c, I will take start from the middle line and make an anti-clockwise half circle like this and touch the base line. Okay, it should be in two lines. This is small c, and the sound of this letter is C, C. Okay, now next I will write the fourth letter for alphabets. Okay, what comes after letter C? Letter D. Okay, for letter D, first I will make an anti-clockwise half circle from the middle line like this and touch the base line. Now go up like this, make a straight line. Now come down. Okay, here you will touch the top line. Now come down like this and touch the base line, and here I will make a little loop or a small tail for small d. Yes, this is small d, and it should be in upper three lines, and the sound of this letter is D. Okay, now I will write the next letter. What comes after letter D? Yes, letter E. For small e, I will take start from the middle and base line like this. First, I will make a slant line like this and touch the middle line. Now here, I will make an anti-clockwise half circle and touch the base line. Yes, this is small e, and it should be in two lines, and the sound of this letter is E. Okay, now next, what comes after letter E? Yes, letter F. Okay, for small f, I will take start from the top line. Yes, first I will make a little curve like this. Now come down. Yes, make a straight line and touch the lower line. Yes, and here I will make a little loop or a small tail with it, and I will put a slipping line on the middle line. This is small f and it should be in 4 lines, top to lower. And the sound of this letter is F, 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 F. Okay. Now, next, what comes after letter F? Letter G. Okay. For small g, I will take start from the middle line. First, I will make an anti-clockwise half circle and touch the base line. Now go up, make a straight line, touch the middle line. Now come down. Yes. Yes. Now come down like this and touch the lower line. And here I will make a little loop or a small tail for letter G. Yes, it should be straight. Okay, yes, this is small g and the sound of this letter is G, 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 and it should be in lower 3 lines. It should be in lower 3 lines, middle to lower line. Okay. Now what comes after letter G? Yes, letter H. Okay, for small h, I will take start from the top line. First, I will make a straight line and touch the base line, and here I will go up like this and now touch the middle line. Here I will make a little loop and then come down, again make a straight line and touch the base line, and here I will make a little tail with it. Yes, this is small h. It should be in upper 3 lines and the sound of this letter is H, H. Okay, now I will write the next letter in front of you. What comes after letter H? Yes, letter I. For small I will take start from the middle line. Yes, and first I will make a straight line like this, and here I will make a little loop with it. Yes, and I will put the small dot on this letter. Yes, for small I, you will take start from the middle line. Okay, and it should be in 2 lines, middle and base. Okay, and it has a small dot. Yes, it has a small dot, and the sound of the letter I. Yes, you know very well. I has 2 sounds. First is I, A. I, A. And the second sound is I. Okay. Now, I will write the next letter. Okay, what comes after letter I? Yes, letter J. Yes. And for small j, I will take start from the middle line. Now come down, make a straight line and touch the lower line like this. And here I will make a little loop with it like this. And I will put 1 small dot on letter J. Yes, this is small j. And the sound of this letter is J, 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 J. It should be in lower 3 lines. Okay, from middle to lower line. Now next, yes, what comes after letter J? Yes, letter K. Okay, for small k, I will take start from the top line. Now make a straight line like this and touch the base line. And now for the next step, yes, I will make a slant line with middle line like this. And now I will make another slant line and touch the base line. Yes, this is small k and it should be in upper 3 lines, and the sound of this letter is K, 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 K. Okay, now what comes after letter K? Yes, letter L. Yes, for small l, I will take start from the top line. Now come down, make a straight line and touch the base line, and here I will make a little tail with it. Yes, it should be in upper 3 line. This is small l and the sound of this letter is L, 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 L. Okay, we have written 12 letters of alphabets on these line patterns. Yes, now get ready for the next step. We will do an activity, match the letters with relevant pictures. Okay, for this, yes, here you can see a board. Yes, I hope you can see it easily. Yes, this is a board. This is a board, okay? And it has two parts. Yes, in this part, I have written alphabets A to L, okay? And now, here I have pasted some relevant pictures for these letters. So, for this activity, I will join the letters, the given letters with their relevant pictures. So, yes, now let's take the start for the activity. Yes, which is the first letter in alphabets? Yes, A. Yes, here I can see letter A. Okay, and you know very well what is the sound of letter A? Yes, A. Okay, now find out the relevant picture for letter A. Yes, A. Arrow. Yes, arrow. A is the first letter in arrow. Okay. Now what comes after letter A? Yes, letter B. Here you can see the letter B, and the sound of this letter is B. B. Okay. Now, yes, B. Bat. Yes, B is the first letter in bat. B. Bat. Okay. Now what comes after letter B? Yes, letter C. And the sound of the letter C is K. C. K. Okay. Now for letter C. Yes. Letter C. Seek. Yes, and what begins with this letter? Yeah. Carrot. C. Carrot. Okay. Now, what comes after letter C? Yes, letter D. Okay. And the sound of this letter is D. 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 Okay, now D. Yes. D. Duck. Yes, duck. Okay, now what comes after letter D? Yes, letter E. And the sound of this letter is E. Okay, it has a short sound. E. Egg. Yes, this is an egg. E. Egg. Okay, now what comes after letter E? Yes, letter F. Okay, now here I have written letter F. Okay, for letter F, the sound of this letter is F. Okay, now for letter F, yes, I will cross these lines and join this letter with flag. F. Flag. Okay, now what comes after letter F? Yes, letter G. And the sound of letter G is G. Yes, here I have written letter G. Yes, G. Glass. Yes, G is the first letter in glass. G. Glass. Okay, now what comes after letter G? Yes, letter H. Yes, what comes after letter G? Letter H. And the sound of this letter is H. H. Okay. Now for this, I will join this letter with horse. Yes, H is for horse. H, horse. H is the first letter in horse. Okay. Now next, what comes after letter H? Yes, I. Yes. And I has two sounds? Yes, I has two sounds. So, yes. Ice cream. Okay. Yes, I have done this. Yes, now what comes after letter I? Yes, letter J. And yes, here I can see the letter J. Okay, now the sound of this letter is J, 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 J. Okay, J, J. J, J. Yes. Jug. Yes, this is a jug and J is the first letter in jug. Okay, and now what comes after letter J? Yes, letter K. Okay, now the sound of this letter is K, 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 K. Okay, now K, K, kite. This is a kite and K is the first letter in kite. Okay, now I think so one letter is left here. Yes, and this is letter L. What comes after letter K? Letter L. And the sound of this letter is L, 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 L. Okay, now L, L, lamp. L is the first letter in lamp. Okay, yes. Today you will do revision of letter A to L on your notebooks, right? On tomorrow we will meet again with the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you very much.